evening ka-friendship. At today's video ay magluluto tayo ng carbonara with a twist. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Friendship, here are the ingredients. We have here bacon. Na-slice ko na siya. And we have here sliced mushroom. Meron tayo ditong 3 tablespoons na grated cheese. Garlic. 2 tablespoons butter. 2 pieces calamansi. And then gagamit tayo ng evaporated milk, and then all-purpose cream, and gagamit tayo ng Del Monte Carbonara style spaghetti sauce. So ayan, 2 pack yan. Gagamit din tayo ng knorr liquid seasoning, and then oil, and of course salt and pepper. And ito yung twist natin ka-friendship. Yung ating pasta, instead na gagamit ng yung mahahaba, gagamit tayo ng rainbow salad macaroni pasta. So 400 grams to ka-friendship. Okay, and also we will be using water later. Okay, so ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Okay, what we're going to do next ka-friendship is magpapakulo tayo ng tubig para sa ating pasta. Okay, so ayan, may tubig na dyan. So, yung tubig ay lalagyan natin ng isang kutsarang asin. Ayan. At saka isang kutsarang cooking oil. Okay, so hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-friendship hanggang kumulo yung tubig natin. Friendship, kumukulo na yung tubig natin. Ayan, so what we're going to do next is ilalagay natin yung ating pasta. Ayan. And constant stirring na siya ka-friendship for 10 minutes. So, kailangan yung pasta natin ay maging al dente. So, ayan, halo-haloin natin siya para hindi siya dumikit. So, ayan, let's wait for 10 minutes ka-friendship or hanggang maluto yung ating pasta. So, ayan na po ka-friendship, al dente na yung ating pasta. So, what we're going to do next is i-remove natin siya sa boiling water. So, ayan ka-friendship, i-remove natin siya sa boiling water. Habang mainit pa yung pasta natin, ay lagyan natin ng butter to avoid sticking and dagdag pampalasa na rin. Kung meron kayong margarine ka-friendship, pwede din kayong gumamit ng margarine. Kasi ako wala akong available na margarine ngayon. So, ito yung ginamit ko, yung butter. So, ayan ka-friendship, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan. Set aside na lang muna natin siya. And gagawa tayo ng kanyang sauce. So friendship, what we're going to do next is ipiprito natin yung ating bacon. Ayan ka friendship. Hayaan na lang muna natin yung ating bacon hanggang maging golden brown or mag-render siya ng kanyang sauce. Luto na yung ating bacon. So what we're going to do next is move natin siya sa kabilang side ng wok natin. Ayan. And then, dagdag natin yung ating butter. And after that, isusutay natin yung ating garlic. Then, dagdag natin yung ating mushroom. Idagdag na rin natin sa pagsatay yung ating bacon. Pagka-friendship, dagdagan natin ng konting tubig. Just to make sure na maluto yung ating mushroom. Ito yung ating tubig. Yung tubig natin, friendship, ay yung pasta water natin, yung pinaglagaan ng ating pasta. So, ayan. Kaya ano lang muna natin siya dyan. Let it simmer for at least 2 minutes just to make sure na luto yung ating mushroom. So, friendship, magdagdag tayo ng knorr liquid seasoning. At least a tablespoon. Ayan, ang bango. And then, dagdag na rin natin yung ating carbonara sauce. Ating nasty cream, yung ating nasty cream, saka yung ating evaporated milk. So, ayan. Halo-haloin na lang natin siya ka-friendship. Isisimmer natin ito ng at least 2 minutes. Ayan ka-friendship, luto na yung mushroom natin. At this point, pwede natin i-check yung alat ng ating sauce kung okay na siya. Ayan, kuha tayo ng konti. Idagdagan natin ng konting salt ka-friendship. Dagdag natin yung ating half a portion ng ating cheese. And then yung ating pasta. Halo-haloin lang natin siya, friendship. Okay, last but not least, let's squeeze 2 pieces calamansi to enhance the flavor of our carbonara. So, ayan, luto na siya ka-friendship. Ready for serving na yung ating carbonara with a twist. Friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product. Yung ating carbonara using rainbow salad macaroni. Okay, so, i-garnish natin siya ng more bacon. Ayan. And then more cheese. Ayan. Oops. Okay, naman ninyo ang ating carbonara with a twist today. That we are using rainbow salad macaroni. So kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. Okay, so once again, this is Tutumira at your service. Always remember that after the storm, the rainbow will come out. Okay, thank you very much for watching and kindly leave a single comment which will be appreciated. So, see you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.